The other day when we showed you this lawn boy, it was 97 degrees outside in Ohio. Today it's 57 degrees. And we're thinking about the upcoming winter, so we're going to start this. It hasn't been started in a while.
Yeah, I think this is a good time of year, September, when you start thinking about fall and football and everything. This is a good time to figure out if your snow thrower is going to work or not. So what we got here is actually a 1999 manufactured yard machines. It's a Model 150, 4.5 horse Tecumseh Snow King, 139 cc's. And what's really a shame is that, part of the story is that Tecumseh now has changed ownership, and these Snow King engines are no longer available. It was taken over by a different company, and so the Tecumsehs on the lawnmowers, the four-strokers, might have been grenades, but the Snow Kings really were dominant for a long time. And this one here, like I said, is what would that be?
13 years old,
13-year-old?
Runs like a scalded dog, of course.
Well,
now that I say that,
it'll go on.
It's gonna choke on us when we try to shoot this video.
If we were ever gonna blow up a motor, this would be the one. So this had stabilizer put in it at the end of the season last year. We topped it off with some fresh gas here, and
probably ran last in January or February, something like that.
Yeah, it's probably been, what would that be? 10 months it's been since it ran.
Well, less than that, but
yeah, it's been a while. It really had a really mild winter here last year in Ohio. So fortunately, this is electric start. So if it's going to blow up, it's going to go ahead and do it quick here. So we're on the juice, prime it. Let's see, if it runs, I'm going to have to get it out of the garage here.
Yep, I'll
gas ourselves.
I'll back up or fall down or something.
Let's see what happens.
I'm in a smoke zone over here. Good sound. Yeah, that's terrible. That's working.
So I guess if you've got a snow thrower, you might want to get it out and start it up and
Bring it on, snow.
yeah.